the blowing breeze, the floating trees. When touches the sky, I am a mountain so high. Silence is my ambience, like a breeze of heavens. I glitter the morning when rising. I am a sun who's shining. Freshness is my metaphor that I spread into the atmosphere. I am huge as endless. My views are countless. It's not your eye. These are the colors of mine. I am bright enough to glow you and cloudy to give you the shades of mine. I am your origin. You always be from me. I never need you, but you always need me. I clean the pollution that you spread around me. I am full of trees and you snatch it from me. My oceans are flowing without any border. Don't you look at the tides of water? There is an ocean of peace inside me. There is a cooling breeze inside me. I give shelter to every creature. I am the nature.